Have you ever given someone a compliment and somehow it just didn't come across the way you intended? Maybe you meant to say something kind and encouraging, but the moment the words left your mouth, they sounded awkward or flat. Compliments are powerful, yet many people don't realize how much impact they can have on a relationship. When you understand how to compliment someone in the right way, your words can create a deeper connection, build attraction, and make the other person feel truly valued. The key is understanding the psychology behind what makes a compliment meaningful. When you know what matters most to someone emotionally, your words begin to carry much more weight and sincerity. One important principle to understand is that every man has a deep desire to be admired. Admiration is different from simple praise. Praise often focuses on surface-level things such as clothes, looks, or objects, while admiration focuses on a person's character, values, and effort. Many compliments people give are about appearances, like saying someone has nice shoes or a good shirt. While those comments can be friendly, they rarely create a deep emotional impact. Compliments that focus on character are far more powerful because they recognize who someone truly is. For example, saying, "I really admire how dedicated you are to your work," or "I admire how positive you stay even when things get difficult," highlights qualities that someone feels proud of. These types of compliments show that you are paying attention to their personality and the effort they put into their life. When someone feels admired for their character, it creates a meaningful emotional response. It sends a message that you see more than just the surface. Instead of focusing on appearance, you are acknowledging qualities like determination, kindness, discipline, or resilience. For instance, if you notice how consistent someone is about going to the gym every morning or working toward their goals, you might say, "I admire your discipline and dedication." Compliments like this recognize effort, and effort is something people deeply value because it reflects their inner drive and commitment. Admiration creates a stronger bond because it touches something deeper than simple flattery. Another important principle is that men, like everyone else, want to feel special and unique. No one wants to feel ordinary or easily replaceable. People naturally want to feel that they stand out in someone's eyes. When someone feels unique in your presence, it strengthens the emotional connection between you. One powerful way to make someone feel special is by recognizing actions that not everyone would have taken. For example, if someone goes out of their way to help someone else, or shows kindness in a situation where most people would ignore it, pointing that out can make them feel appreciated. Saying something like, "Not many people would have done what you just did. I really respect that," highlights that their behavior stands out. You can also make someone feel unique by acknowledging qualities that you don't often see in others. For instance, you might say, "I've never met someone who makes conversations feel so easy," or "There's something different about the way you understand people." Compliments like these make a person feel valued because they emphasize individuality. Instead of feeling like just another person in the world, they begin to feel like someone who truly matters to you. When people feel unique in your eyes, they naturally associate positive emotions with being around you, and that strengthens the connection between you. The third important principle is recognizing competence. Competence is closely tied to confidence and self-esteem. Many people take pride in their abilities, skills, and the things they are capable of doing well. When those abilities are noticed and appreciated, it creates a powerful sense of validation. Recognizing competence means acknowledging someone's skills, effort, and ability to handle situations effectively. For example, if someone gives you helpful advice during a difficult situation, you might say, "You always give such thoughtful advice. I really value your perspective." This kind of compliment shows that you trust their judgment and respect their insight. Competence can also be recognized in everyday situations. If someone plans a thoughtful date or organizes a fun activity, acknowledging that effort can make them feel appreciated. Saying something like, "I'm really impressed with the place you chose. You always pick great spots," highlights both effort and decision-making skills. Even simple moments can become meaningful when competence is recognized. If someone cooks a meal, instead of just saying the food tastes good, you might say, "You're really talented at cooking. This is amazing." Compliments like these acknowledge skill, effort, and the pride someone takes in what they do. Another powerful way to recognize competence is by acknowledging the emotional impact someone has on you. If someone helps you feel better after a stressful day or makes you laugh when you're feeling down, expressing that appreciation can create a strong emotional connection. Saying something like, "I was having such a rough day, but talking to you really made me feel better," shows that their presence has a positive effect on your life. People naturally want to know that they can make a difference in someone's mood or well-being, and acknowledging that impact strengthens the relationship. There is also one small phrase that carries incredible emotional power. "I appreciate you." Many people say, "I appreciate it," which focuses on the action rather than the person. While that still expresses gratitude, it doesn't carry the same emotional depth. When you say, "I appreciate you," the focus shifts from the action to the individual. It communicates that the person themselves is valued, not just what they did. This simple change in wording can make a compliment feel much more personal and meaningful. For example, if someone goes out of their way to do something thoughtful, instead of simply saying, "Thanks, I appreciate it," you might say, "Thank you, I really appreciate you." This small difference makes the person feel recognized as an individual rather than just being acknowledged for a task. Over time, these kinds of sincere and meaningful compliments build a stronger emotional connection because they show genuine appreciation. In the end, the most powerful compliments are not complicated or overly dramatic. They are sincere, thoughtful, and focused on qualities that truly matter. Compliments that express admiration for character, highlight someone's uniqueness, and recognize competence create deeper emotional connections. When appreciation is expressed genuinely and consistently, it strengthens trust and closeness in any relationship. Compliments are more than just kind words. They are moments of recognition that remind someone they are seen, valued, and appreciated for who they truly are.